In this video, I'm going to give you one practice technique that can make you better at whatever you're trying to play almost instantly. So let's say you're working on a guitar solo, you're trying to shred, or you're working on a song that you want to play and it's driving you crazy. Well, what do? You take it and you practice it super slow. That's it, slow practice. There's no mystery there. Slow practice is very effective at helping you work through the hard spots. So what you need to do is on whatever piece you're working on, find the hardest part. Find the part that basically is breaking you down. Where are you hitting the wall? Take that part. Let me demonstrate how this will work. So let's say I'm working on a chord progression and it's got a couple of bar chords that shift like this. And let's say I'm having a hard time doing that. So let's say the actual tempo would be like this. But let's say I'm having trouble with it. I would take it and I would do this. And I'm listening. Is every note clear? Okay. So that was the part that was giving me trouble. I do it super slow. And once I get that, then I go slightly faster. And then gradually get faster. This might take me 2 minutes. It might take me an hour. But I'm going to do it. I'm going to go slow and make sure it's clear. There we go. So I'm starting to hit the edge of my ability, so I slow it back down a little bit. I sped it up. Now I'm going to drop back a little bit. And I'm starting to hit the edge again, so I back it off again. There we go. And it starts to come together. So really, it's a two-step process. One, find the part in the piece where you're breaking down. Don't practice the whole piece over and over again. That's one of the number one mistakes my students make. If they're working on a piece, they'll practice the whole thing over again. No. Chances are most of it's fine. Find the missing link. Find the part that's broken. Then, once you get there, go slow. Go backwards and forwards of it over and over again slowly and gradually get faster. I'm telling you, you do that one thing, the slow practice, where you identify the problem part and slow it down and gradually get faster. I promise you that's going to make a huge difference. So there you go. If you've enjoyed that little tip, I encourage you, go below, subscribe, hit the bell so that anytime I have a new lesson, song tutorial, or gear review come out, you'll be the first to know. Well, I'm Derek at 5 Minute Music. Thank you for taking time to check out this short little tip. It's a short little tip that'll give you huge results. Use it. I promise you, you're going to see really big results. Thank you for your time. God bless.